The real estate industry is highly competitive. Most customers will only think about real estate businesses only a handful of times in their lives. That means it's absolutely essential to have a strong personal brand as a real estate agent, realtor, or broker. Having a professional and consistent image will help you build trust and help potential customers recognize your services and later make it easy for them to recommend you to their friends and family. Placeit has several tools that make it easy to give your company the strong branding it needs. Everything from a brand new logo to flyers, business cards, and even social media images. Placeit's real estate logo makers are incredibly easy to use, and the results are spectacular. In just a few clicks, you'll have a professional logo that you can be proud to use in your signs, flyers, letterhead, email signature, and even promotional items to help remind potential customers of your quality services. Depending on your market, online business can make up a significant portion of your sales. Make sure your online ads look fantastic with Placeit's social media image makers and banner makers. You don't need to be creative or know how to use any complicated software. If you can fill out a form, you can create modern, visually appealing ads to promote properties or your services. And if your flyers need an upgrade, Placeit has you covered with dozens of flyer templates that are professionally designed to look amazing no matter what type of properties or services you offer. Simply pick a template, choose the fonts, colors, and graphics, and let Placeit do the hard work. In seconds, you'll have incredible flyers you can print and hang to promote your real estate business. Being a real estate agent can often be hectic and leave you with very little time to actually focus on building your brand as your business grows. Placeit's design templates are super easy to use that make it easy to quickly create what you need and let you get back to the important stuff. Placeit also has an unlimited subscription that gives you unlimited access to everything Placeit has to offer. Make unlimited flyers, social media images, and much, much more for only $29 a month. So if you're ready to build a strong brand and get more customers, let Placeit be the marketing and promotional tool your business needs to grow and succeed. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more videos and tutorials on how to take your real estate business to the next level with Placeit.